5 online traffic tips and tricks every marketer should know by me, William Brito. Hello there and welcome. Nice to have you here again. If you're not a subscriber, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I release new content here on the YouTube channel. And then if you want, I might just start leaving the links over here on my channel to the social media accounts if you want to stay connected over there too as well. So 5 online traffic tips and tricks every marketer should know. Okay guys, so the main the core one, online traffic will go 2 ways, right? It's free traffic and paid traffic, right? We're going to dive into those right now a little bit deeper. But now, before we even talk about traffic, what is online traffic? Online traffic is basically people like me and you, right? So for those that are just getting started with their online business and just, taking this adventure here, doing things online, and for beginners, online traffic is people, right? They are online looking for information, entertainment, whatever it is, just online chatting, talking to other people on social media accounts. So people just like me and you, we hang out online. We are over here on the social media platform, just talking, chilling, with our mobile phones or our laptops in our laps, or just might sitting at the desk on the desktop, and sometimes we're just getting entertainment from the internet, like on YouTube, watching videos like you watching right now. But most of the time we are using the internet for information. We are doing a search, we probably want to know a recipe about something. What we do, we go to Google or we go to YouTube, let me see a video how to do this, how to do that. That's probably the same way you got here. You want to find out ways to get traffic to the blog that you are building right now, the new business that you are building right now, maybe to affiliate business that you just started right now, to some affiliate products that you are promoting right now, right? So you want to know how to do that. So first thing, before, let's say you're just getting started and you're okay, I don't have my products, but I want to make money online, so I'm just going to go out there, I'm going to grab affiliate product and I'm going to go and sell that product so I can get my commission, make my money, and I'm going to start doing this part-time. I'm going to put an hour or 2 a day, and I'm going to make a side income with this online business, being an entrepreneur, marketer. Okay, cool. First thing first, this tip right here, number 1 tip, is that when it comes to that, a lot of successful marketers has regret that they did not started building a list from day one. Now you'd be like, building a list, what is building a list has to do with online traffic, with humans to my website, with people to my website, like people into my store, so they can see my products and buy, right? Or they need help with something, so I can offer my service, so they know I do this and they can exchange some money for my service, and I go do that stuff for them, and we both win, right? And us as marketers, what we do is that we use one tool that is core of any profitable online business online. One of the core elements of a successful profitable online business is your autoresponder and email marketing, right? Because that's how we communicate online, right? We communicate through email. See, you're not going to be a marketer or entrepreneur and you're going to be like going to people's chat box to like 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 100,000 people, be like, hey, here's my product, check it out. You're going to be like ears just trying to communicate with the people, right? So we have autoresponders. What is our autoresponder? Our autoresponder is a tool that we use. This tool do 3 things. Allow us to grab an email address online, and then allow us to store on the autoresponder database so that we keep it our data. That's what we say, a list of email, because the emails go there. You get email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4. And number 3, we be able to use this autoresponder. The name already say what it does. It stores the email and give you the ability to send email to those subscribers that you have that subscribe to your business for some reason, right? So now you have your autoresponder and you got, let's say, 100 emails. Now what you can do, you can go inside your autoresponder, you can type an email and communicate with those people in like 5 seconds, and you can do 1 email and send to all of them. Now it gets better than that. It comes the automation. You can go and create your follow-up sequence, which is a follow-up sequence is that you create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 email day 1, email day 2, email day 3. You can create up to like a month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, and it can just leave it there, and Oracle on the automatic. You program the day, you choose the day, you write the email 1. You choose the day and the time, and the email goes at the day at the time. Now today, you write email 2. So you can write 10 emails a day, 5 emails more, 3 emails the other day, and you keep doing that. You have, let's say, 30 emails. At the same schedule that you put, one after another one, it goes automatically like that. A machine just be putting their work. So you be communicating with your people. We're not going over here and writing an email every day. Now, I don't know if it's the third or the fourth tip, but another tip over here. Most of the money we make online as online profits come from the emails. People don't buy the first time they see the product. They buy, it's proved to work after 7 times. After 7 times people see the offer, after 7 contacts, even 10 contacts you have with the prospect, that's when prospects start taking action. They don't take action at the first, second time. I'm telling you the truth. If it was like that, it's awesome. But sometimes you help a customer one time, he's not gonna purchase that shirt. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta show him another shirt. Sometimes even another shirt until you find something that he like, and he be like, oh, this is what I want, this is what I need. Same thing online. This is a business, guys, just like a business offline. The problem about this is that a lot of people don't treat it like a business, right? And let's say you have this is I think is the last tip here, but anyways, we got 5 tips. We're probably already went over the 5, but anyways, you see, like if you have an offline business, you're gonna think like, oh, I gotta get people over here to my business, right? You're gonna make business cards, you're gonna try to talk to people, you're gonna try to tell your friends, you're going to try to put an ad somewhere on the newspaper, something like that. You're going to do something to get people inside the door. People come online, they want to make money online, they think just got to sit on the front of the computer, you know what I'm saying, check emails, going on Facebook, things like that. This distraction, and those things keep people on the same circle for years and years and years, and they can't have their breakthrough. They cannot make money online because of those reasons, right? So just the things that you have to know about traffic. Now, if you want a fast traffic, you can get traffic, and right now you go one of these places right here I'm about to show you. You go to Bing Ads, you create an account, you create a campaign, you target keyword, just like you go to the newspapers. Is this that is online, and you put out there the same stuff you're going to put in the newspaper. You come over here, you put on this platform. All the time you get a result, they're going to charge you for it. 10 cents when people click on the ad, your viewers, and look at it, 20 cents, $1, 50 cents, something like that, right? And then you can come over here, Facebook ads, and you can create your ads and engage with other people and bring people to your business. Start making a commission. That's fast. You do it now, you start getting traffic now. They're going to charge you though, but you get traffic right now, right? But before you get a traffic, you want to have the autoresponder, you want to have a squeeze page, you want to have things like that. You want to have your lead magnet set up, what I like to call, a lot of people say lead magnet, I like to call it magnetic prospect attraction. What is a page. I'm going to show you what it is. This is a magnetic prospect attraction, right? Something like this. See, I'm offering this checklist for people that need to decide what niche that they're going to go, and the principle behind that is profitable, and also the principle behind they align with themselves. It's something that, oh, okay, I would love to do this online. Not something that I'm going to do it for the money, then you don't have no drive, and then you're not able to come over here and do the things that you have to do. Anyways, this is a lead magnet page like this, something that you can add value, something that you can offer to the people, right? For example, here I'm offering the checklist, and then what happens is here when a prospect comes, he can click over here, download to get his checklist to help him identify which niche he's going to go with, and also the tools to, so he knows that he are going for the right niche, because here he's going to be able to identify something that is profitable and also identify something that align with his core values. So he knows something that he's going to stay there and continue to do that for the long term. Anyways, so this is a lead magnet. So now right here where it says enter your email address, people come over here, type their email address. Behind this is my autoresponder account working. It's very simple to set this up. You just put a code, and then it goes behind the page. And if you want to know more about these things, I'm going to leave a link on the description below that'll show you guys how to do those things. So anyhow, when they put the email address over here, the email goes to my autoresponder. My autoresponder is the platform that hosts my emails, that store my emails, that keep my list there. Email 1, email 2, 1,000 email, 2,000 email. They have my emails there, and they give me the tools to, keep in contact with those emails that I have there, you know. So that's my asset of my business, you know. That's my audience, the people that, you know, wants to know about the things that I do. So that's my prospects, my future customers, my potential customers, you know, and my fans that soon they're going to be like, you know, I'm a fan of, you know, the Entrepreneur Path, the things that this guy do, you know, is that help me make money online, do this, build a blog, do this, blah, 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 things like that, right? So when they type their email address here, one more time, just to recap, it goes to your autoresponder. Now start building your list there. You have all your emails there. You go inside your autoresponder. There's a platform. You just log in, and you know, you could have, you write your emails, communicate with your audience, communicate with those people. You offer your affiliate offers. They buy, you make money. And before you even thinking about getting traffic, this is something you gotta have, my friend, because visits come, they check your blog, look, you know, read your articles or whatever, you know, they might be looking for some, they see about you, they check everything, they might go to your fan page. Talking about that, we have something cool over here on the fan page for Entrepreneur Path. Love is like money, hard to find, easy to lose. For Valentine's Day is right in the corner, right? So they can come and just go. But now if you have something to offer, they'll be like, oh, you know, I need help with this. And then they click here, you know, is a way for you to get the email address so you can stay in contact with them. Anyways, guys, that's very important when it comes to that. Another thing, if you generate traffic and you build your list, now that's the second thing a lot of marketers regret, is that if you don't stay in contact with your list, they're not going to get to know you, they're not going to get to like you, they're not going to get to trust you. When you recommend products to them, most of the time they don't take up on your recommendation, they don't take action because they kind of don't know you. So you want to build a relationship with them. That's another tip here. We probably went over like 7 or 6 tips. I don't even know, guys, but that's the main things when it comes to traffic, right? You can get traffic on demand. Oh, I forgot to talk to you about free traffic. So we're going to go into that now. So free traffic, use your blog, things like this. Let's say you blog about how to start in the online business in 2018, and then you go, you know, talk about the steps, you know, like first you got to find a niche, second you got to have a autoresponder, you got to store email, third you got to drive traffic, because what is a business without traffic? And you talk about these things about how to have an online business, right? And you put on your blog. And then a lot of people start seeing you sharing you on your fan page. You start building the link, choose the backlink, things like that. You do some SEO, going in, you know, like to the title and the body copy and things like that. And then Google starts to recognize your website as time goes by. And what happens is, let's go into one of my tools here that I like to use. It's totally free, KW Finder. And for example, here you can come over here and type a phrase or a word, and they're going to tell you what is the search volume for that word or that phrase. So let's say how to increase traffic to my website. Let's see how many people are looking for traffic to their website. So let's take a look, guys. Website traffic, 14,841 searches. You see searches right here. Average monthly search volume in last 12 months, almost 15,000, right? Web traffic, 6,000. Now, you start ranking in Google, you get out of this 14,000 searches right here, let's say 2,000-3,000 go to website, right? Then they can check, you know, your resource page, the banners you have in your website. They can check your offers and things like that. They can opt them in, and that's how you start building your list and things like that. That's getting free traffic. So, for example, another platform you can use, YouTube. You can make videos, and guess what? You start coming up over here on the search ranks, and you start coming up over here. People type something and it comes up your video right here. You're getting traffic, but you want to have the magnetic prospect attraction, so you can, one day you want to attract the people to get the stuff that you have, but you also want to have a way to grab the email address by creating a magnetic prospect attraction. So yeah, guys, that's what it is when it comes to traffic. You know, we cover free traffic, we cover paid traffic. Those things are very simple, but the principles behind and what you do when you get the traffic. So first, you want to make sure you store and collect contacts online, which is either human beings or email address, right? So you can stay in contact with them, and the asset to your business, very important. Number two, that was number one. So number two is that you want to build a relationship with them, right? Stay in contact with them, because what's the point? You get the email, but you don't contact them, right? And number three, you want to make money with it. You want to help them with other things. You want to promote your offers. You want to stay in contact with them and stay up to date so you can help them with the latest things that comes out. Talking about that, I'm going to leave a tip here for you guys. Go get this book right here. It's totally free. If you're into internet marketing, marketing online, all these things, this book is totally free. He's given for free. You just gotta click on the link below, click over here like shipping details, type your name and email address. I'm gonna have the link below, and you're gonna get a free training with that. Let me show you here in the bottom. So here it says like, plus I'm gonna give you my 15 steps to online profits video training and free life one-on-one strategy section, which is with a coach, a value of $50, plus 15 steps to create an online digital marketing business video training, $30 value. Guys, this book right here is from Dave Sharp, the legendary marketer book. This book is amazing. It comes with this free training right here. I got the free training, I got the book. This is awesome. Let's just take a look at step number 4. This you guys see, discover the perfect business model to maximize your profits. So yeah, you got a lot of good content here, and I'm gonna leave other resources here on the page below, so feel free to check it out. Yeah guys, so that's the most important things that when it comes to traffic. All right, so if you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I release new content, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay guys, so I hope you like the 5 tips when it comes to online traffic, tips and tricks every marketer should know. That's very important. You should know those things. And you'll probably be asking, should I just get paid traffic or free traffic? The thing is this, you want to do both. You want to get the book I showed you from Dave Sharp, or anything like any other books. I'm going to leave you some other books here in the description so you can get. We also have here the sticking point solution from Jay Abraham. You know, you want to read things about the industry that you're in, right? You want to read daily. And another thing is that as more that you read, more that you have value to add to other people. So you want to keep your mind sharp so you can add value. So when you add value, you build free traffic, but you don't want to wait for that traffic to get ranked up on the search engines and start getting a lot of traffic. So what you want to do, you want to do paid traffic and free traffic at the same time. Free traffic is like all the value you can offer. Then you bring to a YouTube channel, you bring to your blog, right? And you bring to your fan page, right? Like here. And that's, you know, adding value. That brings you traffic also free. And then at the same time, you get traffic on demand by going to those platforms and creating campaigns and advertising. All right, guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.